Is there a Frankenstein at your church? The best ideas often start with a small group of people visiting around the kitchen table. The idea takes on a life of its own as it gains acceptance, crawls off the table, and eventually begins to control the people involved. If we're not careful, our best ideas can become Frankensteins. In many churches, the creative ideas that have met the need of the moment take on a life of their own after a period of time, becoming Frankensteins. We all have the tendency to revert to what we've always known. Typically, what we are familiar with is what becomes our default approach to handling things. If our church continues to do things as we've always done them, we may only accomplish institutionalizing the very ideas that once served us for expanding God's kingdom. When we find ourselves feeding a once great idea in our church, we should ask, how much emotional energy does that Frankenstein idea absorb? Is that Frankenstein consuming finances that should be focused on a more effective ministry? Is it time for us to carefully dismantle the idea that has become a Frankenstein idea and invest resources into something else more effective? Unless God gives you great wisdom in your church, once great ideas can become a Frankenstein and part of your church's institution. Evaluate those once great ideas and be sure they continue to reflect the heart of God. You don't want them to be your church's Frankensteins.